that I can have. I need to do a thorough investigation that they did not do.
All right, Neama, I want to bring you in because what do you think of the reaction? Now, they want to subpoena Herrera Butler as the witness for the House impeachment managers. Now, in regular court of law, we all know that that would be hearsay testimony, but here the rules of evidence don't apply. Why wouldn't they subpoena McCarthy, the one who actually had the conversation with the president?
Yeah, well, certainly the rules of evidence don't apply, and many rules don't apply in this the Senate impeachment trial. You have senators who are jurors. Senator Leahy's presiding over the proceeding. You have senators who are jurors regularly conversing with defense counsel for the former president. So that's all out the door. You know, the reason the House impeachment managers want to subpoena Herrera Butler is she's already come out publicly and provided very, very favorable testimony. And she said that that phone conversation between the former president and Representative McCarthy is the reason that she voted for impeachment in the House of Representatives, and she was one of the 10. So that was very powerful evidence for her, and that's the type of evidence that may sway other Republican senators. Now, as far as Van der Veen's statement that he is going to subpoena hundreds of people, I don't think that's going to happen, especially because many of the folks that he wants to subpoena, those charged criminally in the Capitol riots, have said that the reason they did so was that they thought they were working at the direction of the president. I don't think that testimony is going to be very helpful for Trump and his defense team, and I don't know why Van der Veen opened the door to that. With respect to Representative McCarthy, he has apparently publicly denied that the conversation took place as at least described by Herrera Butler. So I don't think the House representatives think he will be a very favorable witness. But, you know, if dozens or potentially hundreds of people are going to be deposed, I expect him and Tuberville to be deposed as well.
Right, absolutely. I'm surprised Tuberville's name wasn't mentioned by the House impeachment managers when they made the request. But Robert, I want to follow up on something you said a little bit earlier, because I'm re-listening to these arguments from Michael Van der Veen, and he's talking about this is just about the incitement. This is just about the speech part, where we know the impeachment managers spent a lot of time on what happened afterward, like you said earlier, to show intent and whatnot. But what did you think of him still maintaining